What's up, fam? Welcome to my other video, and if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And today we're going to discuss about how you can make $100 on Fiverr per day. So let's get started. I would like to tell you that there are so many people that claim they make $100 a day on Fiverr, but what you have to know is that this requires a lot of work, and most definitely not for new sellers. I'm not saying it's totally impossible for new sellers, but it requires a bit of luck to get to you $100 in a day as a new seller if you don't have any experience about Fiverr before. Remember, Fiverr takes 20% of your earnings anytime you have a new order, or probably a buyer place an order of your gig. So even though if it's $5, but you will have $4 at the end, whereby Fiverr will charge the buyer at least $7 or 7.50 cents. So therefore, to make $100 per day, you need to complete 25 orders or not. It depends on your service and your gig package. So I'm into YouTube SEO and YouTube marketing stuff. So the order I used to get is, and my gig package is kind of like different, because I don't offer $5 package. So my package started from $20 and like that, because I create different gig. Like I have like 3 or 5 gigs, of which I one discuss about YouTube SEO, creating of YouTube channel, and others. So these are the things you firstly need to look into to determine what you'll be earning on Fiverr in a day. And also you need to get positive review on your gig, because these are what will definitely determine what you will be earning per day. You cannot just start a Fiverr today as a new seller and getting a job of $100 as a new seller, because there are different things you need to look into. You need to monitor how you set up your profile, how you set up your gig, the gig title, gig description, gig tags, your subcategory and the category as well, and the gig image. These are the things that buyer will definitely see before they arrive to your gig, before they even place an order. They also check on your profile. So these are the things that you need to look into. And also you need to sell low and high ticket items on Fiverr, and make sure you deliver quality service or products within the agreed time frame. Get great customer testimonial, just like review, and you have to get a sustainable business on Fiverr. The earning of $100 per day is very possible based on the service you're offering. It does take time though, and effort to make money. Normal. If you are not prepared to put in the time to make money on Fiverr, you will not make any money. You must also have the skills and experience to deliver high quality service on Fiverr. And high quality service that I'm talking about are maybe WordPress website design. These are all high ticket service on Fiverr. WordPress website design, these are all high ticket service. And I'm telling you, if you did not have review and high quality feedback from previous buyer, you may not be appear on this first page. And if you are not appearing on this first page, it will be definitely high to get a job. And it's very hard. It's very hard, seriously, because if you are not if your gig is not appearing on this first page, definitely probably you are applying for a buyer request. And applying for a buyer request, you need to convince the buyer with your proposal, in which you need to tell the buyer why they should hire you, and a competitive price, which means the buyer will definitely give the job to you. And if your gig is appearing here, definitely you will be making maybe $100 or more in a day. So let's just take on this seller. The basic package is even to $50. You can see, and this seller is having 14 orders in queue. Let's now imagine how much he will be making per day, then per month. Because I can even say this seller can be making like $3,000 in a week, whereby we are calculating the $100 in a month per day, which will be equivalent to $3,000 in a month. And this seller might be making that in a week. So let's check on other gigs as well. This one is basic package is $70. So one order in queue. All this thing depends on the kind of service you are offering. Of course, you can be offering a service like, let me say trying to figure out a service that does cost like $5. It's not even more than $5, and of course there is no way short seller making $100 per day. I'm not sure it's possible. I'm not sure. Let's check cartoon logo. Sorry, cartoon logo. Actually, I forgot that niche. I've checked some times ago. But all this cartoon service, I'm not sure you can be making $100 per day. Even though there's nobody having $100 as basic package of this page. Or you can see $125. That's amazing. I don't expect it to, but definitely that will be very, because the job will look somehow. So, and this sometimes might chase buyers away. This sometimes might chase buyers away, because whereby some buyers send a package of $30, $20, $5. They will definitely go for that instead of going for this that's charged $125. So, and of course you can see the seller, he or she is having like 966 reviews. So definitely the service is selling. So I don't know, but of course he's making his sales, and he started from somewhere too. He's a level 2 seller, so people will believe in him or her as a good reputation. So you can also check some other niche as well, of which let's check on programming and maybe digital marketing stuff, Instagram marketing. Instagram marketing is also a top-notch service. Seriously, it's also a top-notch service, and it's definitely possible to make $100 per day. But the only issue about this service is that most of the sellers, because the exact service you can't even deliver before the time frame, because some service here are monthly service, because you say they want to manage your service for 30 days, 7 days, or 5 days, and this service you need to deliver after 7 days. You see, after 7 days, 31st or 34 orders again, you need to deliver after 7 days. And of course, this will bring more jobs, but in my own way, I don't think you can deliver anytime you like, unlike other service, which is maybe WordPress website design, maybe writing service or graphic design. So you can't deliver just like that. Even if you deliver, some buyers may not approve the final delivery, because they will believe that our agreement date is maybe 1 month to manage my channel or 7 days to manage my channel. How will you not deliver within 2 days? It's not possible. They won't approve it until you have to wait until the exact agreed date before you can deliver. So this service is kind of like, it's not really pure, but of course you can make sales there very well. So that's all I have to talk about making $100 per day. It's possible, and the other way around too, because if you are offering an high ticket, like I said before, definitely you make sales. And even $100 per day is small in other way. It's small, but if you are offering some kind of service which are not really high tickets, and of course definitely you will make $100 per day, or at the end you will later realize that you are making $3,000 in a month, which will be equivalent to $100 per day. So I think this will help you, and also I open your eyes to some other niches which, if you have an idea about how to do it, definitely you will earn some bucks in it. So thank you for watching, and please kindly subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up on this video if you really like it, or if you notice anything maybe that I did not discuss or you expected me to discuss about this video. Please kindly let me know in the comment box, and I will be very much happy to discuss about it. Thank you.